Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the volume of your audio in Adobe Audition. So, my workspace looks pretty much, I assume, different than yours. So in this case, if it is, go to Windows and here to Workspace, and then here reset to saved layout, or just use the default one, which one I should use as well for this tutorial. So here, workspace and default, and to increase the loudness of this audio, we have this bar here, and if we just make sure you hover your mouse over, and then here when you your mouse over it, you can actually drag this up and down, and now drag this up. How to trim audio in Adobe. As you can see, is loud, it's very loud. If I drag this all the way down, we can't hear anything. So it works. But another way to do this, you can also go to effect here and then amplitude and compression, and then you click on select here amplify. And here in amplify you have different presets: amplify by minus, by 10, by plus 10, so you have pretty much options here, or you can do it yourself. Your left and right, usually I like to link this. Of course, I don't want to left to be higher, louder than the right side. So that's what you can do. And I would only increase the stereo only if I have the stereo here. I can increase left or right, but that's not something I want. And also you can use the presets, guys, so you can use default, you can do yourself. And something here to add, it should be helpful for you, or just remind you, do not overdo this, and you can exaggerate this, and then your audio will distort. So in this case, what you can do to make sure it's not distorting, play the audio to see if it's too loud, or to how to trim audio in Adobe Audition. Save this. Okay, that's nice. Destruction here is a lot of distortion. So yeah, just test here. And yeah, subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. And subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comment section.